Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix this content not available. This content cannot be seen in this region. So if you find this kind of error in your Instagram, so how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. First of all, what you have to do, you have to simply check your network connection, which means if you are connected to a Wi-Fi, you have to check whether your Wi-Fi is working properly or not. You can also restart your Wi-Fi router. And after that, the next thing you have to do is you have to simply go for settings. And after that, you have to click on general. And after that, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. So here you have to click on reset, and after that you have to simply reset all of your network settings. After resetting all of your network settings, you have to check whether your problem has been solved or not. If the problem is still there, what you can do is you can simply open the Instagram app. After that, what you have to do, you have to simply click on the Instagram profile, and you have to click on three lines here, and here you have to click on settings and privacy, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of report a problem. So here you have to click on that, and you will easily find the option of report a problem. So here you have to click on report a problem, and you have to click on report a problem without checking. So here you can simply report that problem to Instagram team so that they can help you in a better way. So hope you have liked this video. If you can get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.